is the one that instituted marriage. And it all started when God honored it, designed it, instituted it, regulating it, and witnessing the first marriage.
As I was enjoying my single season, my heart desire and prayer is that someday God will give the man of my dreams, a man after God's own heart, who will love me unconditionally and accept for who I am. Since meron akong peace sa heart ko talaga na eto na to, so that's why, ayun na, sinagot ko na siya and ayun, we're here.
So nakikita ko talaga na siya na yung babae na binigay sa akin ni Lord. No, siya na yung ano. Parang maramdaman mo naman eh.
Leah, my soon-to-be partner in crime, my best friend, and my number one supporter. Today, I take you to be my wife, loving everything I already know about you, and looking forward to discovering new things about each other as we embark on the new journey of our lifetime together.
I've been through different ups and downs and failed relationships in the past. I even asked God, Lord, why me? Why you allow this to happen to me? Today, I have the answer. And that the reason why it didn't work out, kasi darating ka pala sa buhay ko.
Ian and Leah, you are a perfect pair. And it seriously warms my heart to see couples so amazingly in love. I am so grateful to be good friends with both of you.
Ito ang tagay sa tagumpay. Black Level. Cheers! Mas pipata na lang ang kulang, kapatid.
Of course, obviously, I'm the maid of honor, no? And it's truly an honor for me to be part of this sweet journey of our dearly Tita Leah.
Leah, to love and happiness. Yeah.
Cheers! And here's to love, laughter, and happily ever after.
Well, medyo halo yung kaba at saka yung excitement.
I promise to keep our lives exciting, spontaneous, and full of passion, embarking on adventures together and creating new memories together.
Leah is a dreamer. She knows how to dream for her mama and of course to you as the future family and to friends and people she loves.
I pray that out of that understanding that you will weather any storm, weather any season, weather any problem, because you know that there is the love that God has for you and you love each other.
I promise to show you every day how lucky I am to have you by my side. I can't wait to start building our life together.
Feels like I'm dreaming. Inside this feeling.
Indeed, God's timing is perfect. Never early, never late. It takes a little patience kahit na nauubusan na ng patience yung family and friends ko. But it's worth the wait and you're worth the wait, my love. Love, I promise that we will face this world together and then there's no turning back.
It's a beautiful life. Beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life.
Our long-distance relationship was not easy, but allowing God to be the center of our relationship makes us stronger. Thank you for coming into my life, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.
And it's all for me and you. The little things, the memories, we're glowing in the view. It's all for me and you in this beautiful life.
Leah, will you take Ian as your husband, and by God's help, submitting yourself to him as unto the Lord, showing reverence to him as the head of this union for the rest of your life? Say, I do if you do.
I do!
Weightless.